So here is the setup for measuring fluorescence. I have to plug this power source, turn it on from here, and the regulator will turn on. Can push it on and off. And in here I have a box, it's a cardboard box, and if I turn it on with the different buttons, I can turn on different colors. So I can put these solutions, and if I turn this on, with the purple light I have a lot of fluorescence. It's so strong that it's hard to see on the video. This is blue. And I can put the lid on. And I can film here. And I can see the very strong fluorescence. Here we can see the orange fluorescence of eosine Y. And this is a blue fluorescent compound. You can see it here. This is UV light, and it fluoresces blue. And this has some red fluorescence, but it's very weak here.